significant health and safety risk. These include, but are not limited to, manual handling. This relates to the use of bodily force when moving materials or interacting with machinery. Manual handling should be minimised as far as practicable. Mechanical aids and lifting equipment should be used to move materials where possible. Machining. This includes the use of machining equipment, including presses, CNCs, milling machines, cutting saws, and lathes. These types of equipment have significant potential to cause injury or harm, including entanglement, crushing, pinching, and other serious or even fatal injuries. Pressure systems. This includes the use of pneumatic and hydraulic pressure systems to process materials. This type of equipment carries the risk of crushing, pinching, and puncture injury. As with other workplace equipment, these systems should only be operated by trained, competent personnel. Painting. The use of spray booths to provide surface finishes on parts may be in place on this site. These areas have specific controls such as access control, local exhaust ventilation, respirators, and coveralls. Again, these areas should only be used by trained, authorised operators. Welding. Different types of welding technique may be used on site to fabricate materials. Risks from this activity include harm to respiratory health through the production of welding fume, risk of severe burns due to welding flame exposure, alongside the risk of eye damage due to welding arc exposure. Safety devices. Devices that are critical to ensure your safety may be integrated into equipment or other site infrastructure. This includes features such as interlock devices. These must never be tampered with, and any defect should be reported to your line manager immediately.